Watch. The world, it's not a plan. Watch where I go on. Carefully. Franchise, choosing one. 10-star general. You know it go already when I come for represent. Full effective. You know it go already. I load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion boy. Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. Oh, you mean? A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Yo, watch me. I'm the most electrified man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now, you know. We come to ask the super question, you know. We want to know, you know, how much of them dancehall artists are you hear, you know, I tweet up their mouth, you know. Or how much of them give back to dancehall. Eh? Because I notice, you know, from the people them leave up dancehall to the artists then, that's how dancehall start to misbehave. They start to have beer segregation. And you start to have beer look girl attitude in the thing. One time the fans run dancehall, you know. So all you hear artists are talk like you can shut up people, you know. And the fans them run dancehall, you know. Without the fans and the artists are nothing, you know, brother. Because you have to know, you know, the artists them not even support them one another music, you know. Watch. Blessed love, Zed. Alright. Respect. Mad thing. Yeah, man. I say, come on. This is a loud explosion at work. Everywhere I go. You know, she say, and a joke thing when necessary equipment drop. It's a chop man that. About a 60-foot container the man have on him shit. You know what I mean? Can bet all on him boring on him shit 10-star, him laugh till him weak. I don't even know gimmicks business. What a piece of character and talk to them 10-star. Watch! Yeah man, him love it man. Yeah man. You know me I say no man. After all many things, dancehall give them artists and make them achieve. Man want to compose on the people them in a dancehall. It's all about a luxurious stuff. It's not about the roots and the culture. And it's not about the people them no more who support dancehall. Yo, one time, you know, when you see an artist go like him tough, you know, my brother. Show keep, you know, and him not bring the energy where the people them want. Alone Buckley, you know. Alone Shandy Buckley for him, you know. It no matter who him think him is, you know, go ask Grammy artist Maxi Priest. Ask him if you feel like a gimmicks business. Right now, you have to say, Vybz Kartel, Zane, and Bounty Killer. Push out the most youth in a dancehall. So you can just see the Jews where them man they pay in a dancehall. Differently from classic tune, Billboard hits, where pass a whole heap of genre, where a whole heap of people cannot hear, where would ever affiliate with reggae in a dancehall music. You see what I deal with? Yeah. You have some man when him not really bust out no artist, but him push the genre and the culture to a different level. Youth like Movado, because you never can take that from him. Because him and Vybz Kartel clash, take over the street of New York City. And I see that with my two eyes them. And you have to know, say, when you talk about America, you have to know, say, the Yankee youth, them addicted to rap music. You see what I deal with? So when you see the man them every day and I just the clash the man them that one, that does to show you how powerful dancehall is. You see what I deal with? Because all that go on is about, I just be about the clash. You know what I mean? So them man, they set it and push it to a different level where all eyes are fair watch. So the reason why I say all of them things, you see the internet thing and the internet clashing. Right now, you know, I don't ever think it make no sense because it not support the dancehall music nor the culture. No time at all nor whatsoever. You see what I say? Because it don't make no sense, you know. You go up on a trap and a violate an artist. Or I sing this song about an artist. And you now go take it to him on the stage. Why if an artist take on another artist, why it's supposed to be a physical thing between the two of them? Why it's supposed to look like now some war business? And it's supposed to be a lyrical battle. And that's how the sweetness of the sports becomes. It's a lyrical battle. It's a character competition. But you have some man them now do nothing for dancehall and them want to come and have the loudest voice. You know what I mean? Because you get a few local hits. You want to have the loudest voice. I reap from dancehall, you know. No, you know, do nothing for dancehall, you know. You know how much of them artists here you see I go around and I run up them mouth. All them doing a reap from dancehall. Them not give back nothing to dancehall. What them give back to dancehall? You hear them talk like, well then, you know what I mean? Them are these big top artists who not push out nothing for dancehall. And the man them who do the thing for dancehall and them shit there. And them man don't want to fight against. Just like how I soon jump up and want to fight against world boss. And boy, I say world boss, bad mind, young artists. And a Vybz Kartel push out the most young artists in the country. Artists where some people probably wouldn't even want to try with. Because enough boy make money and vanity get to him head. So him can't even help the next youth. Because dancehall a ghetto thing, you know. If you make it, you have to bring other youth with you, you know, my brother. I saw the thing go, you know. Enough of them now bring nobody with them, you know. And mouth them and mouth up, you know. The evidence that they behind them girt, you know. You don't know who them a try fool, you know. So I have to continue to say respect to the local artists when named Skillibeng, who show the people them say right now are the world boss. Give him all the strength and the courage that him can come forward good and bring him work to the table with people like, you know what I mean, appreciate, because you know the thing go already. And for a young artist, right now him look promising as a man where I go take dancehall to the forefront certain way. You can see it now the youth them, you know. Them youth they're tough, you know. Just like daddy one, you know, enough boy asleep on them, you know. Tough, you know. And you just notice the song them youth they drop. Every time them youth they drop a song, yeah man, it have a whole heap of it behind it. Because the school people them love the youth shit. You know what I mean? So, I saw it go. You have to bring artists and push artists and bring some new talent to dancehall. if you not sell no gold nor no platinum record. You see what I say? Small coffee. You see what I say? You know do them things where it's like you not even do nothing. You don't got reap from dancehall and you're not putting back nothing in the burn. 2 sugar milk. You see what I say? Yeah man, gimmicks thing. So when you hear one like all Vybz Kartel, all talk certain way, and you have some local apprentice who are 6-7 come out and I run them deep. And if you tell them to shut up, a general them man there, look and watch and learn. Because all enough for you know, all you know do you know hide the truth down in the throat and feel like you can go one different. Take one different part and I go like say well then we don't acknowledge the world boss and the world boss work. Make even a puppel in a dancehall. Yo. When you make a sadness there. When the thing are temporary. You know what I mean? Because you're not original. And you know what the biggest thing about it? When you're not even honest with it. You know what I mean? And a joke thing. So when man talk about this and I talk about that, you can't stop the fans them in a dancehall from talk about dancehall, my brother. Artists now go around and I support artist music in a Jamaica. No artists now go around and I support dancehall music in a Jamaica. Artists are go around and I buy on the music. Understand how I deal with the fans them, you know. Okay. Worse when you not give back, you know. I will not so now push back nothing in a dancehall, you know. Anyway, the general, you know, the 10-star one, you know, where the next super highlight, you hear that? What? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10-star. General.